this is how you put your KeyFit 35 into your Kooper stroller. The first thing you're going to want to do is recline this seat back using the recline mechanism. Just squeeze and pull down the seat. Then you're going to take your universal car seat adapter and attach it where your front tray goes. So you'll see the sticker on here. You want this to where you would be able to read it while it's attached. So you're just going to click those in. And then you'll have two straps on either side of the stroller, usually tucked up underneath, so you'll locate those and pull them out. You want to make sure they're in between the frame and the seat to give you enough space. Kind of just put those off to the side. And then you're going to put your car seat rear facing. Now on this car seat, you'll notice a little hook on the bottom here. It lines up perfectly with the metal portion on the adapter, so you want to make sure it's good and lined up there. Kind of push it down in there a little bit, and then you'll take your straps and bring it around the car seat. Just attach it into place and then tighten this strap down if you need to.